Well, the other day I said there's probably not going to be any more snow in the valley, and it's just going to be rain from here out. But looky there. I think we might be under a snowfall warning, so pretty stoked. Yeah, Boulder is looking super busy today. We got one truck in the parking lot. I guess everyone's tired of snowmobiling except for me. Gonna toss a new belt on here this morning. This one's not blowing yet, but freshy. All right, heading out for day 61. We got Shuffy, Nick, Carter, and Kyle. Gonna hit up the trees today since it is puking snow out. We'll see how much fresh is up top. Doing some wrenching on the kitty. Little track tighten. Snow should be pretty decent by this afternoon if it keeps up like this all day. It is pretty snowy, man. You can hardly even see Shuffy. He's like 100 feet away. Well, we got cold and we got snow. It's super fluffy. If it snows like this all day, it's gonna be awesome. Getting deeper. Oh, it's gonna be great. It's getting deeper yet again. Oh man, you're not gonna be able to see the snowmobile. Yeah, I don't think I want to go down there. Yeah, baby. So we're playing in the trees today. We're getting a big reset. So I'm gonna dig a pit here and see how stuff looks. See if it's safe or not. Okay, here we go. Kind of that fresh stuff on top a little bit. There it is. I've got like almost 3 feet. Down about 3 feet. I don't know what that... Oh, we needed this.
You're good.
Phew! Definition of champagne powder, this would be it. Well, the guys wanted to go down, but Nick stayed out with me. He's about to pop off this little pillow here. Oh, so sick. Yeah. I think I got to tighten my track a bit. Yeah. It did twice in a row there, so.
Yeah.
Well, let's see how much it snowed since 7 a.m. this morning. Just about 40 centimeters. That's pretty crazy. Hopefully it keeps up all night long. Well, we're gonna take a quick run up to the Alpine, see if it snowed up there, or how much, I mean. But like, look at it down here. I'm on the trail. That is awesome.
I can't breathe.
Can't see, can't breathe. Oh, just terrible. Oh my God! Crazy! Oh my God! So friggin' awesome. Well, guys, when the snow's too deep, you gotta sit on the hood of your sled so then your face is above the plow. Oh.
When the snow's too deep, you gotta sit on top of your sled. It's still too deep.
can't see. Woo! I'm sure you guys can see a lot here. Oh my god. Do you guys wonder how I see anything? The answer is I don't. Who needs to see? That's overrated. You get a glimpse every like 5 seconds. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Oh, I love snowmobiles. Man, I wish you guys watching this could experience the same joy that I experienced. Oh my god. This is something I really hope that every snowmobiler gets to experience. I don't know if I'm just high on today, because I think I've had days this deep before, but it's been a minute, I guess. We either have to go farther that way, because the toilet bowl is, I don't know where. Uh-oh. Not exactly where I want it to go, but at least it's already slid. This is the trail. You can't even tell. This is the trail. What? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm sure you're sick of hearing me talk about the snow, but yeah, one more time, what an incredible day with some awesome snow. If this keeps up all night, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with myself. Pretty awesome that I get this for my last few days here. What would that be, blasting?
Maybe they're black. Holy fuck, dude, I can feel it in my truck.
So can I. That's weird. I thought it was thunder at first. I'm like, really? Thunder snow? Yeah, you know, just casual bobcats ripping up the streets of Revelstoke. Okay, let's go, buddy. Speed limit is 50. We got a solid 30 going. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Pretty epic day. I'm sure you got the gist of that by me freaking out all day on the GoPro. But hopefully it snows some more tonight and the sun comes out tomorrow and we have a pretty good day. Might be the last day, but we'll have to see. I don't really like to plan it out, just live by the seat of my pants. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.